It's climate crunch time. It's time to level up. Scenario 1. We win. With a massive collective effort, we limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Ambitions are raised. Nationally determined contributions deliver unprecedented impact. We cut global emissions by 42% by 2030 compared to 2019 levels. We invest in solar energy and wind power. We protect nature and economies. We live. Scenario 2. We survive, but struggle. We manage to limit global warming to 2 degrees Celsius. We cut emissions by 28% by 2030 compared to 2019 levels. We make some progress. For example, with renewable energy and forest conservation, it's not enough. Heat waves, floods, and rising seas hit harder. We adapt, but at a cost. Scenario 3. We fail. Global warming reaches 2.6 degrees Celsius and beyond. Current promises fall short. Emissions continue to rise. We face dangerous heat, severe storms, and extreme weather. Ecosystems break down. Many lives are lost. The cost of reversing the damage becomes overwhelming. Game over. Which future do we want? What future will we choose? No more hot air, please. 1.5 degrees Celsius is possible. The future is in our hands.